Hi friends, welcome to Decor Catalogue. We as an interior and exterior design expert share with you modern trending and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of modern ceiling design. In this video, we will exploring some truly breathtaking ideas to transform your living spaces. From sleek and minimalistic concepts to bold and innovative designs, we have got you covered. The ceiling is often an overlooked element in interior design, but it holds incredible potential to elevate the beauty and aesthetic of any room. So whether you are an architect, an interior designer, or simply someone looking to infuse a touch of modern elegance into your home, you have come to the right place. Throughout this video, we will be taking a closer look of some of the most captivating modern ceiling designs that are currently trending. We will explore a wide range of styles, materials, and techniques, all aimed at inspiring you to unleash your creativity and transform your living environment. Prepare to be amazed by intricate patterns, mesmerizing lighting effects, and innovative use of materials. We will dive into coffered ceilings, suspended designs, tray ceilings, and so much more. So get ready to embark on a journey through the modern world of ceiling design, where creativity knows no bounds. Whether you are looking to make a statement or create a sense atmosphere, these ideas will empower you to turn your ceiling into work of art. When designing a ceiling, there are several important factors to consider to ensure an aesthetically pleasing and functional result. Here are some key points to keep in mind for ceiling designs. Number 1. Consider the height of the ceiling and the scale of the room. High ceilings provide an opportunity for more elaborate designs, while lower ceilings may require simpler or more compact designs to avoid overwhelming the space. Number 2. Take into account the overall architectural style of the building or room. The ceiling design should complement the existing style and enhance the overall aesthetic. Number 3. Lighting. Plan the lighting scheme in conjunction with the ceiling design. Consider incorporating recessed lights, chandeliers, pendant lights, or other fixtures into the design to create an inviting ambience and highlight specific area. Number 4. Choose appropriate materials based on the desired look, functionality, and budget. Common options include gypsum board, drywall, wood, metal, glass, or a combination of material. Each material offers different textures, patterns, and properties. Number 5. Certain design elements can create an illusion of height or depth. For example, using vertical lines or patterns can make a low ceiling appear taller, while adding depth through recessed coffers or a tray ceiling can make a high ceiling feel cozier. Number 6. If any functional elements need to be integrated into the ceiling design, such as air conditioning vent, sprinklers, or speakers, these elements should be seamlessly incorporated into the overall design scheme. Number 7. Consider the ease of maintenance and access of utilities. If there are any fixtures or components that may require regular maintenance or repair, Ensure that they can be easily accessed without compromising the overall design. Number 8. Establish a budget for the ceiling design and consider the cost of implication of different materials, finishes, and decorative elements. Balancing aesthetic with affordability is essential for successful design. Number 9. Ultimately, let your personal taste and vision guide the design process. Consider your preferences, the intended function of the space, and the overall atmosphere you wish to create. By considering these factors, you can create a well-designed ceiling that enhances the overall aesthetic appeal and functionality of the space. I hope this video is very useful in choosing the right design for your ceiling design. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.